The First Amendment doesn't mean what you think. Everyone talks about freedom of speech, but there are 5 places where your speech isn't protected, and knowing this could save you from getting arrested. As a civil rights attorney, I see countless cases where people misunderstand their First Amendment protections. So let me clear up 5 major misconceptions that could keep you out of legal trouble. First, contrary to popular belief, the First Amendment only protects you from government censorship, not private consequences. Your employer can fire you for your speech, and social media platforms can remove your content. It's all perfectly legal. Second, fighting words, which are direct personal insults likely to provoke an immediate violent reaction, aren't protected. Calling an officer a specific profanity to their face could potentially cross that line if others are involved. Third, true threats aren't protected speech. Statements that a reasonable person could interpret as a serious expression of intent to harm can be criminalized. The standard isn't whether you actually intended to carry out the threat, but how a reasonable recipient would perceive it. Fourth, speech that incites imminent lawless action isn't protected. The key words here are imminent and likely. General advocacy is protected, but specific incitement to immediate illegal action is not. And fifth, defamation. False statements of fact that harm someone's reputation isn't protected. Public figures have a higher burden of proof, requiring actual malice, but private citizens can more easily win defamation claims. Here's why this matters. I've seen countless protesters arrested for speech they thought was constitutionally protected. So when interacting with authorities, remember the limitations. You should document everything during your encounters with officials. If arrested for speech, remain silent beyond identifying information and request an attorney immediately. Understanding these boundaries doesn't limit your freedom. It helps you exercise your rights more effectively while avoiding unnecessary legal complications. I'm Kyra Fontenot, and I'm a civil rights lawyer. Follow me for more content like this.